Hi, I'm Tripp. I'm an incoming junior at Los Gatos High School. My project is the phone controlled robotic arm, and I chose it because I wanted to have something that I could see and be in control of, and it's wasn't too focused on coding and stuff like that. And my milestone, this is my first milestone, and it's just um, the basics, just showing it works. Like I don't have it connected to a phone or anything like that yet, but it's just it's the wiring and stuff works. So here's the demo. It is it can be controlled over a couple accesses, and then there's a claw, and you can I guess bend it down to pick stuff up. And the way it works is that there's potentiometers in the joysticks here, and they're measuring data as at every millisecond or something like that. And so as you move the joystick, it's taking that input and processing it through the Arduino Nano and the a Nano Shield. So it's taking the outputs, moving it through, and then moving them to the outputs for the servo. So it's just measuring data from here and then processing it and giving it to the servos. The key parts are, of course, the joysticks, and then the Arduino Nano, which is doing all the processing of the code and stuff like that, and then the shield, which is taking in all the wires and stuff. And of course, the servos are key parts because it's that's what's actually moving everything, and then the hardware, which is just 3D printed parts. Yeah. The biggest challenges that I faced when doing the project was not understanding kind of what I was doing. I went into this with not enough I guess knowledge of the Arduino stuff. So when I first turned it on, nothing worked, and I didn't understand why. And it was mainly just because I didn't have all my wiring and all my hardware set up correctly. And the way I got over this was just doing a lot of research on Arduino and trying to understand what was actually going on and how stuff worked. So by doing that, I was able to troubleshoot some of the stuff. I had to fix a servo motor because it wasn't put in correctly, and it was messing up with the code. The code was processing incorrectly, and a lot of my wiring, as I said, was put incorrectly. And eventually, I just ended up rebuilding all the hardware and following the instructions more carefully. And yeah, I just got it working.